स्मार्ट सिटीचे निमतान सगळ्या कामां चडशे जाल्ले आसा. सो तुमी कशें क्रिटिसायज करपाचें जाल्यार कशें करतले बीन?
स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां आतां सगळीं काबार केलेलीं आहा. तर ते कितें करपाचें क्रिटिसायज बीन तें पयलीं आसलें. आतां वी हॅव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम हियर. नाव यू टेक दिस ओनली दिस walkway which has been done, right? Personally, it is a nice place for the people to hang out, to move. It's a recreational area. And I think it was originally till half the forest park. So that is a project which they have done well. But they have not thought beyond it. They have not thought how it is going to maintain, who will manage the waste and whatever. So I think that is a problem with most government things, that we have to see now what has been done, how we can look after, whether it be this walking path, whether it be the garden in Pato, which is crazy. It's been finished for at least 7 months, but it's still not open. I don't know for what they are waiting for. Same thing applies to the PWD quarters, which were renovated nicely, old PWD quarters. Again, they have not found a use. So you spend all this money on projects, you make projects at huge cost, and then they are not maintained and they are left to seed. So we have to find a way that they are used properly. Already that walking path next to the GTDC has issues, maintenance issues. So we will be raising those issues. Coming back to this, what was disappointing for us as citizens who lived here was that it was not supposed to connect all the way to Inox, that pathway which comes close to Inox. It was supposed to end because there was a urban forest there was a beach there where, as per us, a lot of trees have been cut, over 300, 400, and it is crazy that with the heat we are seeing, the climate change we are seeing, temperature, what is it, feels like temperature is 47, that we allowed a urban forest to be cut just so that connection could happen along that bridge, which there are other issues again. So up to the forest park, we say that was a great project, which should have been done, but beyond, I think there are, in my personal opinion, there are issues.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.